Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, and today we are with Marco with the Bersani Law Firm. Welcome, Marco. And
thank you, Fausto.
Thank you for this call. Actually, it's a short video, but we will talk about what you need to do before moving to Italy in terms of visa. In fact, Marco is a lawyer, and today we will see, especially because as you see, we always talk about how to pay less taxes, but sometimes you ask us what to do before moving to Italy, also in terms of visa, which is quite important. So, Mark, we'll ask you some questions and some examples about what you do and how you can help people of ESENtaxa. So, first of all, would you like to describe your service, your firm? What is it you do exactly?
Yes. Thank you so much, Fausto, again for your time. And yes, it's Marco Bersani here. So from Bersani Law Firm, we are an immigration law firm settled in Italy. So we are the main office in Italy, and we assist people worldwide, especially from some countries like United States, Canada, and from other countries, to apply for or citizenship or visa, so Italian dual citizenship or Italian visas. In particular, our core business, so we are expertise on Italian dual citizenship application or by descent or by marriage. And for visa, we just focus on two categories of visas, so the investor visa, the so-called golden visa for Italy, and the elective residency visa, which is a visa specifically designed for retired people, so for all people that wants to come in Italy for retirement.
Basically, those visas, we normally, we are talking especially, I imagine, for people of abroad Europe, like American people or people from Asia.
Yes.
I saw that also in your channel you talk about the citizenship program. So basically, is this what do you advise when you have a first call with a client? What is you can say the main questions? What you need to know before deciding what kind of visa your client needs?
Yes, mainly the two programs are citizenship by descent and citizenship by marriage. So the most common one, the most trending one right now and in the last years is certainly the Italian citizenship by descent. So there are some countries like United States, South America, Canada, Australia, and other countries where it's very trending because in the past, many years ago, a lot of millions of Italian citizens immigrated abroad. So they immigrated to, for example, United States. And so today, a lot of people can claim Italian dual citizenship by descent. So thanks to this right of blood, so they are the descendant of these Italian grandfather, great grandfathers. So they can claim their rights of Italian dual citizenship. So when we first talk to the potential applicants, what we do is to check if they can be eligible. So if they have a family tree starting from the Italian ancestors, a family tree then can allow them to claim Italian citizenship by descent. So what we can do is a pre-eligibility check. We can check what they can do, the best application strategy, and then we assist each client step by step on what to do to collect all the documents and to then file the application for citizenship.
That's very important. In fact, I also would like to remind you that then we will put in the description of this video the link of the YouTube channel of Marco and as well an email so you can contact him if you have further questions about your case. I am curious about to know, do you have a lot of American clients in general or there is one specific country?
Yes. A lot of clients are coming from the US, from the United States, because as I said, it's very trending. For example, the Italian citizenship by descent program is very trending in the US because of these millions of Italian immigrants in the past.
Yes,
exactly. For other countries, for example, from Asia, from also Africa, South America. Especially from Asia and some other countries, we have a lot of clients for other application, for example, for visas. For the investor visa, it's very trending. So people can come here and live here thanks to an investment they can do in it.
That's also quite important, and I can confirm also. Even if we talk about taxes, but people know the importance of the visa, and they know that they can apply for this kind of visa only because they have some families living in Italy. But now,
Right.
sometimes it's also important to avoid the mistakes. And I see that sometimes clients, the people, in order to save some money for the consultancy, let's say they try to save money and they don't get a proper consultancy. What are the mistakes to avoid? And you can tell me just 2-3 mistakes that normally people do because they think they can speed the process.
Yes, yes. So there are actually a lot of mistakes. So, for example, when it comes to the application for citizenship by descent or citizenship in general, people, for example, what they simply do, and it's a common problem today with the internet, is that they can go on Google and find information. They can find information. They think, oh wow, it's so easy to apply. So they can try apply, and for some reason they have, for example, denial from an Italian consulate, or they spend a lot of money to prepare the documents, and then the documents are, for example, incomplete. This is very, very common. So what is really important is just not to just read what you can read on Google online, but of course to at least have one consultation with an expert, because I mean, beside guiding you what to do, they can also suggest you what to do, also the best strategy, because most of the time, what it seems the quickest way to apply is not the best way to apply. So it's better to take maybe more time and to make a successful, be sure that the application will be successful.
Exactly. Last question that I have is regarding, the timing. It is long to take, because we are talking about the United States, because we see, and maybe you see it as well, that a lot of Americans want to live to Italy. But how long does it take to have the thing in a proper way regarding the visa? So in order they can move to Italy safe. Normally,
yes. So yes, for the application for Italian citizenship, the application is pretty long. So at least it takes a couple of years to prepare a document, file the application, wait for the authorities to decide the application. When it comes to the visa, the application is way more quicker. For example, the investor visa for Italy, the golden visa, is the quickest visa in Europe to be processed. Because by the law, for example, the golden visa has a evaluation processing time of 30 days, so it's very fast. So as long as we have all documents, we can file the application. Yeah, it's pretty fast. In 30 days, in 1 month, you can have your case approved.
Yes, indeed. So the best way that I also can suggest, because actually we do tax consultancy, but the best way is to know as soon as possible what you need to do. So then you can decide and you can plan in our case, we talk about tax strategies, but I can say when you move to another country, you have to have a good tax strategy, and as well you don't need, you need to have the good way to get your citizenship. Otherwise, then you risk to don't get it. You risk for yourself and for your family. Well,
right.
Thank you, Marco. What I would like to say to our viewers is that I will leave you the link, because I saw that YouTube also talked about citizenship and all the things that can help people before moving to Italy. So I will leave in the description link, guys, the link of the YouTube, as I said, and then I also the contact of Marco. So if you have some questions, if you think you need a specific consultancy, you can contact him, and he will guide you through the process in an effective way. So thank you, Marco, and see you next time.
Thank you, Fausto. Thank you. Take care. Thank you so much.